Welcome to episode 11. The Seq Abstraction, one interface for every collection. You've learned vectors, lists, maps, and sets. Now one abstraction ties them all together. Learn first and rest once. They work on everything. Let's start the REPL. Seq on a vector gives a sequence. A list is already a sequence. A map becomes a sequence of key-value pairs. A set becomes a sequence of its members. Even a string, each character becomes an element. Empty returns nil, not an empty seq. First on a vector gives 10. Rest gives everything after. First on a map gives a key-value pair. First on a string gives the first character. Control-D exits. Now let's write seqs.clj. 2 comment lines. CQ section. Test it on all 5 types. The list line lists are already sequences. Maps become sequences of key-value pairs. Sets are unordered but still seqable. Even strings become character sequences. And empty returns nil, the emptiness test. First and rest section. Same functions, different types. A describe-coll function that works on any collection. We call it with a vector, a list, and a string. Let's run the file. Vector becomes a sequence of numbers. List stays the same. It's already a sequence. Map becomes pairs. Set becomes members. String becomes characters. Empty returns nil. First and rest work on vectors, maps, and strings. Describe-coll prints type, first, rest, and count for each. Same function, 3 different types. That's the Seq abstraction. Learn these functions once. They work everywhere. Episode 11 complete. Quick recap. Seq converts any collection to a sequence. First and rest work on everything seqable. Seq on empty returns nil. The idiomatic emptiness test. One function handles every collection type. Next, lazy sequences. Infinite data that costs nothing. Thanks for watching episode 11. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, episode 12, lazy sequences.